Honorable Speaker ng Turaga na Turaga, Honorable Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, Kumnina Angwane Mayrewa, Kasnibuli, and members of this great country who are listening in to this moment. Before I begin, Mr. Speaker, allow me to respond to an issue raised by Honorable Sanjay Kipal. And I will do so by referring to a speech made by His Excellency in the International Labour Conference, Geneva, June of last year. And this is what His Excellency said, and I quote, "In line with Fiji government and cabinet decision to accede to the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People, UNRIP, President Katunivere highlighted that this summit provided an opportunity to inform the international community that Fiji has taken the important step of supporting UNRIP. It goes further and said, "We join the international community in affirming the fullest expression of indigenous peoples' aspirations. Fiji's support to UNRIP is complementary to its commitment to ILO Convention 169, which ratified in 1998. As a nation, we'll continue to ensure that the rights of indigenous people are safeguarded and protected." Unquote. I understand the concerns of Honorable Kipal. Mr. Speaker, sir, one has to ask a very important question. How did the landowners first lose their land? A good example is none other than Suba City. As I understand, there was a case in the Lautoka High Court. They lost out. High Court, Court of Appeal, because of time, records. I do understand they were only paid an annuity, a small amount. And that's what the people of Suba are still begging for. The buyback scheme is a social justice program for Itoke. I was in Koro recently. There are freehold land on Koro Island. One has to ask, how can there be freehold land on the island? People, I have a file of Mundu Koro. They are asking for land, 500 acres. They only have 200, and the numbers keep on growing. Mr. Speaker, sir, this government is committed to the principle of restoration. I did say this in my very first speech here. For my fellow parliamentarians, I can't explain how it touches our heart. When we talk about land lost. What dubious means, fraudulent means, and outright illegal. Our forefathers and those before us, they didn't have any means to reclaim that land. But this scheme is a buyback. So you can just give a small satisfaction to the members of the Itoke who have lost land. And that does not stop the other three groups from purchasing land through lease, outright freehold, or even if you want to rent. But for the owners of the land, as Honorable Naibaru articulated, they've taken steps to develop. And this is the legacy of this very government. A government that cares. Mr. Speaker, a government that delivers. Yesterday I was in a funeral. Head of my Matangali said, so when are we going to get this thing back? I said, it takes time. So what I'm saying is government is not going to willy-nilly deal with the rights of Itoke. It's going to follow the proper channel of law by due process. And of course, consultation. That's the point, Honorable Speaker, I want to stress in relation to Honorable Sanjay Kipal.
No shortcut.
No shortcut. James 4:10. Humble yourselves before the Lord, and He will exalt you.
Amen.
Humble yourselves before the Lord. He will not lift you. He will lift you up. Honor. Get down on your knees before the Master. It's the only way out. You will get on your feet. Mr. Speaker, sir, I will speak on the Ministry of Justice strategic vision and progress towards enhancing access to justice and public service delivery in Fiji. It is with great honor and responsibility that I address this August House today. The Ministry of Justice remains steadfast in its mission to uphold justice, integrity, and accountability, reflecting our unwavering commitment to the rule of law. Over the past months, our accomplishments have been more than mere milestones. They signify our relentless pursuit of excellence in public service. Every initiative we undertake is grounded in our dedication to serving the people of Fiji and fostering a society where justice prevails. The Ministry stands as a pillar of democracy and a beacon of hope in public governance. Guided by a strategic vision that aligns the aspirations of our citizens with the imperatives of justice, we have made significant strides through carefully planned initiatives that reflect both a commitment to operational excellence and our ability to adapt to the evolving need of a society. Our ongoing reforms in processes and systems, coupled with the active engagement of our staff, ensure that we continue to meet the demands of the public and uphold the highest standards of service. One of the most pivotal undertakings of the Ministry has been the comprehensive socialization of its 5-year strategic development plan for 2025 to 2029. This plan is not a mere document. It is a strategic framework that sets the course of our future endeavors, outlining our aspirations and how we intend to achieve them. Aligned with the National Development Plan for 2025 and 2029, the Ministry of Justice will continue to promote justice and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. The SDP has been meticulously disseminated to all registry centers across Fiji, ensuring that every member of our staff is aligned with the Ministry's new mission, vision, and values. The socialization process is a transformative journey that seeks to embed the principles of excellence, innovation, accountability within the fabric of our ministry. By engaging our 164 member staff nationwide in this process, including the 6 additional staff who joined on the 31st of July 2024, we ensure that our strategic objectives are not only understood, but embedded and actively pursued at every level. This alignment is critical as it empowers our staff to contribute meaningfully to our overarching goals, thereby enhancing the quality of service we provide to the public. The strategic plan serves a compass that guides our actions and decisions, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and excellence. As stipulated in the Ministry's strategic plan, development plan, Strategy 3, Customer Empowered Services, the Ministry engages customers for long-term marketplace success. This engagement strategy includes how the Ministry listens to the voice of our customers. It builds customer relationships and uses customer information to improve and identify opportunities for innovation. The Ministry profoundly values the importance of being a good listener to our customers. The diversity of views, either positive or adverse, are considered as a vehicle of change and a direct contributor to business excellence, either from customer service standpoint or capacity as an organization to operate within the excellence mechanism. The Ministry uses the following customer mechanism to listen to the voice of the customer. 1, email feedback. 2, feedback form. 3, formal and informal correspondence. 4, telephone. 5, field reports. Customer referral mechanisms. These mechanisms have enabled the Ministry to innovate and creatively enhance or support customer, fostering loyalty and trust. By cultivating a customer-centric mindset within our workforce and deepening our understanding of customer behavior, we've been able to improve the services we provide while promoting a culture of knowledge sharing and continuous improvement. The Ministry has shifted its focus to a customer-oriented approach, prioritizing the development of strong customer relationships. This shift has empowered our workforce to a better segment and understand our customer needs. Our commitment to this approach is evident in the outreach programs, where we actively bring our services to the people, ensuring greater accessibility and engagement. The Ministry has extended its service to the public through the registration of births, deaths, marriages, as well as registration of companies conducted by district staff. Many individuals in remote maritime islands have not been registered, leading to children attending school without birth certificates, couples living together without being officially married, lack of death certificates for those who have passed away, and other services of the ministry can facilitate. In doing so, the ministry has identified its customer through product offering and customer support, customer segmentation, building customer relationships, and complaint management. Mr. Speaker, sir, in line with our long-term strategic vision, the ministry has developed an improvement planning process that transforms our priorities into actionable steps and measurable outcomes. This detailed blueprint guides daily operations, ensuring alignment with our goals. By involving input from all levels of the organization, the process promotes coherence and consistency, driving performance and fostering to a results-oriented culture. Through this alignment, staff can focus on achieving clear objectives, enhancing efficiency, ownership, and accountability in their efforts to deliver excellence. Reflecting on a comprehensive record of achievements, challenges, and learnings over the years, it provides a transparent and detailed account of our performance, highlighting key milestones and areas for improvement. It serves as both as a testament to our progress and a foundation for future improvement. The progress of the ministry is very critical for accountability, ensuring that we remain transparent and answerable to the people we serve. We have begun our journey, capturing the essence of our efforts and the impact of our initiatives. It provides valuable insights that inform our strategies and guide our future endeavors. By reflecting on the past, we can learn from our experience and build on our successes that we continue to improve and evolve as an organization. A pivotal aspect of our strategic and operational planning is the formulation of the Coastal Operation Plan. This plan outlines the financial requirements and allocations necessary to achieve our strategic objective, ensures that our resources are utilized efficiently and effectively, maximizing the impact of our initiatives. The Coastal Operation Plan is an essential tool for fiscal responsibility and strategic resource management, enabling us to deliver our commitments while maintaining financial stability. The formation of the Coastal Operation Plan is a rigorous process that involves detailed analysis and careful planning. It ensures that every dollar is spent wisely, supporting initiatives that drive our mission forward. This plan not only provides a financial roadmap, but also serves as a tool for monitoring and evaluating our progress, ensuring that we remain on track to achieve our goals. The Ministry of Justice is deeply committed to making justice accessible to all Fijians through our extensive outreach program. These initiatives are a crucial part of our mission as we strive to bring essential services directly to communities across Fiji. Our outreach includes a range of services such as registration of births, deaths, marriages, register of titles, official receiver, and register of companies. From August 13 to 18 this year, the Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Ministry of Justice, conducted an outreach program in Samoala. This program provided the village of Totoya, Matuku, Moala with guidance and support on obtaining vital documents. During this period, the operations officer from the Birth, Death, and Marriage Registry officiated 4 court marriages, 3 in Aroi, Matuku, and 1 on a vessel traveling from Lomati to Aroi, due to the inability of officials being able to travel to Lomati to conduct the court marriage. The outreach efforts in Samoala yielded impressive results. 7 late birth registrations, 27 business registrations, 40 new birth registrations, and 42 birth certificate renewals. Building on this success, the Ministry of Justice organized a ministerial tour to Koro Island from September 10th to the 13th. The purpose of the tour was to bring justice closer to the people, strengthening their trust and confidence in the justice system. As part of this effort, in partnership with Post Fiji, we inaugurated the Birth, Death, and Marriage Registry office at the post office on Koro Island. Accompanied by representatives from 8 government ministries and 13 stakeholders, I visited 5 villages, Nassau, Nambuna, Nakondu, Nadamaki, and Abanga, along with key institutions including the Nassau Post Office, Koro High School, the District Commissioner's Office, and the Nassau Agriculture Station, and the Nassau Health Center and various nursing stations. The tour was a resounding success, with the people of Coral Island warmly welcomed the services provided. In each village, residents eagerly lined up to access services from BDM officers and FNPF staff, who helped print ID cards and check members' account balances. Many villagers, especially women, seized the opportunity to register businesses and apply for grants offered by the Ministry of Women, Children and Social Protection. The engagement and enthusiasm from the community underscored the positive impact of bringing this vital service directly to the people of Fiji. From September 25th to 29th, I, along with senior members of the Justice, visited Overlau to engage with communities and provide a direct assistance. Accompanied by the representative from the Register of Companies and the Ministry's executive team, we visited Toko, Wuma, Nawowo, Waitobu, and market vendors along Lebuka corridor. The primary focus was to facilitate business registration of births, death, and marriage services. This initiative sparked great interest, with many residents registering small businesses, including canteens, farms, food services, and handicraft sales. Mr. Speaker, sir, a total of 253 new businesses were successfully registered in Lebuka, and as of today, all 25 businesses have been approved. The Ministry is extending its outreach to other villages, including Bureta, Loboni, Tavia, Armundi, and Ruguruku from this Friday into this weekend. Many residents were unaware of the need to register their businesses until they sought government aid, where registrations was required. To assist these new business owners, the team is providing guidance on online business registration and applying the business grant from the Ministry of Trade and Commerce. In the coming months, additional registry office will be established in Garaningau, Kayasi Village, in Andronga Nabosa, Rutuma, Ba, and Kandau. This effort reflects a commitment to embody the principle of no one should be left behind, ensuring that even the most remote communities receive the support they need. Mr. Speaker, sir, in light of the celebration of the Fiji Day, a team will be also going to Bonoleu. Soon after the official function, we will be engaged in Bua for 2 days. A commitment to ensuring that justice is right for all Fijians, not just a privilege for select few, is unwavering. I would like to recognize the previous government's efforts in establishing BDM in South Sabu, Nombowalu, and Corvo, which made this essential service more accessible. Additionally, in partnership with Post Fiji, we have expanded BDM service to 20 post offices across the country, further enhancing access to all Fijians. Mr. Speaker, sir, investing in human capital is essential in the ministry's success. Over the past months, we have launched comprehensive leadership and customer training program aimed at enhancing staff skills and competence. These initiatives are central to cultivating a culture of leadership, professionalism, and excellence within the ministry. The introduction of the improvements was significantly streamlined our operations, boosting efficiency and service delivery. In July, we conducted a 2-day in-house training and leadership training for our team leaders, emphasizing the internal procedures and the roles of each officer. This training is part of our ongoing effort to position ourselves as a PMA ministry. Additionally, several team leaders visited the Fiji Airways headquarters in Nadi to gain valuable insights into customer service excellence, particularly focusing on benchmarking on the concept of self-reflection to drive internal improvements. I also met with the Acting Permanent Secretary of Justice, the Director of Corporate Services, and all heads of registries to address challenges and discuss necessary improvements to facilitate public service delivery across Fiji. By equipping our staff with the necessary tools and training, we ensure that they are well prepared to meet the demands of their roles and deliver acceptable service to the public. Mr. Speaker, sir, if I just given I would like to highlight a significant milestone between a collaboration between the Ministry of Justice and the Itoke Affairs, aimed at enhancing the Bolin Kambula VKB system. This partnership underscores a commitment to making government service more accessible while preserving traditional governance system. The VKB is crucial for the Itoke people as it serves a living document that records ancestral lineages and family roots. However, challenges have arisen, particularly with the timely updating of birth, death records leading to disputes over land ownership and chief appointments. I'm excited to announce that the VKB Officer Pilot Project will commence with the officers from VKB based at the Ministry of Justice for 1 month and to report to the 2 consultants who are currently undergoing the review of the VKB system. Mr. Speaker, sir, it's an honor for the opportunity to speak on the Ministry of Justice. Nagwali.